Can a simple cup of tea really ease pain, lift your mood, and calm your mind, all without pills? The answer is yes, and today, we'll show you how. A steaming mug of herbal tea, sunlight pouring in, a quiet moment just for you. After 50, our bodies and minds deserve extra attention, and these gentle infusions may be the simplest way to start. As we move through life, our bodies naturally change. We may feel less energy, slower digestion, or struggle with restful sleep. These are normal shifts, and the beauty is, there are gentle, natural ways to support ourselves. We may need more rest, gentler movement, deeper nourishment, and herbal infusions can be a soothing part of that, a daily ritual that meets our evolving needs with warmth and care. Do you notice a dip in energy? A bit of bloating after meals? Maybe falling asleep feels harder than it used to. You're not alone. Stress, less movement, medications, even small lifestyle changes can all affect how we feel. But with a few thoughtful choices, we can shift the balance back in our favor, calmly, kindly, consistently. Herbal infusions are more than warm drinks. They are nourishment in a cup. By steeping healing herbs in hot water, we draw out their natural benefits, gently supporting digestion, mood, immunity, and calm. Let's explore 5 simple infusions to welcome into your daily routine. Infusion number 1. Ginger, a digestive delight. Ginger is like sunshine in a cup. It soothes digestion, reduces bloating, eases nausea, and gently warms the body from within. Slice 1 to 2 inches of fresh ginger root, steep in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Add lemon or honey if you like. Sip slowly and feel your system wake up and settle at the same time. Ginger may also ease joint pain and morning stiffness. Infusion number 2. Chamomile, a calming embrace. Chamomile is a lullaby for the nervous system. It helps release tension, calm the mind, and prepare for deep, healing sleep. Use a tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers per cup. Steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Sip in the evening as part of your wind-down ritual, alongside a warm bath, a gentle stretch, or quiet music. If you're enjoying this so far, tap like and subscribe. It helps us grow and brings more calm to others too. Infusion number 3. Peppermint, a refreshing boost. Peppermint is clarity in a cup. It awakens your senses, soothes the stomach, and can even help ease headaches or sinus tension. Steep fresh or dried peppermint leaves for 5 to 7 minutes. Inhale the aroma. Peppermint gently lifts energy without overstimulation. Perfect for a mid-morning reset. Infusion number 4. Turmeric, a golden elixir. Turmeric is warmth, resilience, and strength. Known for its anti-inflammatory power, it supports joints, the brain, and the immune system. Use a teaspoon of grated root or powder. Add a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption. Steep in hot water with optional lemon, ginger, or honey. A golden cup that nourishes deeply. Infusion number 5. Lemon balm, a mood booster. Lemon balm is sunlight for the soul. It calms anxiety, lifts mood, and can even enhance focus and memory. Use a tablespoon of fresh or dried lemon balm per cup. Steep 5 to 7 minutes. This gentle herb helps bring balance when days feel heavy or when you just need a soft emotional reset. Embracing the ritual. You are a garden. These infusions are gentle rain, nourishing your roots, helping you bloom again and again. A warm cup, a quiet moment, a breath. This is how healing begins, not with force, but with care. Let herbal tea be your daily reminder that you are worth slowing down for. Which of these infusions are you most excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments, and pass this video along to a friend who could use a little peace in a cup. Don't forget to subscribe for more gentle tips on healthy aging, natural remedies, and self-care that feels good. Thank you for being here. Stay kind to yourself. You're doing beautifully.